Ed Coleman says this device is the key to a healthier home.
I have allergies, and this is a 125-year-old house with a lot of musky smells, and I believe it's helped.
It's called AH-1. Coleman installed it in his home's ductwork to sanitize the air with UV rays that attack airborne invaders.
They're exposed to these ultraviolet rays, and it kind of acts like a bug zapper. As they pass through, they just get zapped with the ultraviolet light.
Carney says the light damages or kills the germs, leaving indoor air much cleaner. And since the light kills mold and mildew, he says air could smell fresher too. Homeowners place lots of emphasis on energy efficiency, but when your home is wrapped to the point where nothing can get in, that means germs can't get out, and that could contribute to poor air quality. The Environmental Protection Agency says indoor air can be 100 times more polluted than outdoor air, making it one of the top environmental hazards in America. Coleman says he's already noticed a big difference in just 6 weeks.
I don't quite have as much of the musky smell anymore, and musty smell, and also don't seem to be having as many problems with the sniffling.
He says now it's even more of a pleasure to stay indoors. Rick Swiner, WB22 News at 10.
This looks like an ordinary American home, and it is. But inside, people are sneezing and coughing. They wake up with stuffy heads and watery eyes. Inside, the house appears clean, spotless. What can be the problem? The culprit is indoor air pollution. Today, many health-related problems stem from indoor air pollution. Airborne mold, bacteria, viruses, and fungi that dwell in millions of homes nationwide cause illness and aggravate allergies and asthma. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, the air inside your home can be up to 100 times more polluted than outdoor air. And the American Lung Association says that 87% of adults are not aware of this problem. According to Jeffrey May, author of My House is Killing Me, in a typical house, mold and bacteria lurk undetected in heating and cooling systems. Debris dispersed into the air from these organisms can cause runny noses, itchy eyes, coughing, headaches, and breathing difficulties. Indoor air quality is making headlines now, and the more you know, the better chance you have to protect your family against allergy and illness. The problem has grown dramatically in recent years as we've tried to make our homes and offices more energy efficient. Today's buildings are tighter and better insulated, which keeps fresh air out, trapping indoor air contaminants inside. If too little outdoor air enters a dwelling or office, microorganisms can collect to levels that pose health and comfort problems. Experts nationwide now recommend ultraviolet light to help in the fight against indoor air pollution. UV air treatment brings the ultraviolet power of the sun indoors to directly address the problems associated with poor indoor air quality. By itself or in combination with a high-efficiency filter, ultraviolet air purification is the most effective way to reduce airborne microorganisms and the health risks they represent.
Our problems were, before we installed AH-1, we've had mold allergy problems for many years. We've tried many different types of air filtration, air cleaners, electrostatic, electronic, charcoal, and we even tried ozone as a last resort, trying to get mold cleaned up so that we could be comfortable and not have continuous nasal infections. We were on antibiotics many times trying to clear up infections. But you can't really get infections cleared up unless you eliminate the source of the problem, which is mold. And AH-1 in the air conditioning system does kill mold.
UV helps reduce the occurrence of diseases and has been proven effective in hospitals, schools, daycare centers, restaurants, and hotels. The germicidal effect of UV light causes photochemical damage to DNA and RNA within microorganisms, thus deactivating bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. AH-1 Home Air Sanitizer uses energy from a specially designed, high-intensity UVC bulb to reduce airborne microorganisms that cycle through a home's HVAC system. Installed directly inside the ductwork, AH-1 silently and effectively reduces airborne contaminants, such as molds, bacteria, and viruses. AH-1 plugs into any standard 120-volt outlet and provides automatic, whole house air sanitation year-round. The installation is easy, only requiring 4 steps. First, drill the main hole using the template and hole saw provided. Next, attach the base plate. Insert the bulb into the main unit and then into the duct. Finally, plug the unit into any standard outlet.
We were so pleased with the results of the Air Health in our home that I've installed it in my son's home and plan to install it in the daughter's homes on the next visits.
It's made a big difference.
It has made a big difference. It's very inexpensive.
Air Health, UV air sanitation for your whole home. If you have any further questions, feel free to call Home Health Products toll-free at 1-866-765-1587 or visit our website at www.airhealth.com.